Anyways, so we're in is this Fortinos? Yeah, we're in Fortinos again because this one always wants to bake something. Now she wants to make doubles. So she's in here. Yeah, this is what happens when you date outside your race. You're passing the chickpeas. Here, these ones are on sale, 79 cents. So yeah, she wants to make doubles now. Okay? And she's already at like $30 and she hasn't purchased all the ingredients as of yet.
I have some.
And she's never going to use them again. But in order to know, you have to feel first in order to learn. You understand? So that's the journey that we're on today. No blonde brownies. You guys didn't even get to see a picture of the blonde brownies because just by the laugh alone, you can tell what happened with the brownies, right?
I'm working on it.
Right.
Why do you keep putting them in your videos and trying to shame me?
I don't try to shame you every time.
Make people think I'm crazy.
But they don't think. They know that you're crazy. We all know that you're crazy. Your name keeps popping up on that names of crazy people list.
I bet you I find your name.
You're definitely not going to find a Zoe on there.
I bet you I find your name.
Definitely not. But yeah, I think I'm in trouble. I called my boyfriend to pick me up. Garlic. Oh, I called my boyfriend to come and pick me up today from work.
Yo, he's gonna kick your ass for like
Yo, for real. I don't give a fuck. I told him to come pick me up from work. And he told me no. And so I left. And he came. And I'm not there. And now he's not answering my call. I need to borrow his car to do something.
You're not getting that.
I don't think I'm going to get it. But you know, women power is, you know, you got to do certain things to get certain things. So, you know.
Power.
Damn right.
Garlic.
So I'll get it eventually, I think. And dinner now cook tonight. Just get this one.
How do I even know if I have my new 2 for... What am I doing this for?
Okay, so buy the 2 for 99 cents and I'll take one. I need garlic. Doubles? No, thank you. Anything with garlic, I'm not eating. My bread stinks.
So why do you want me to give you garlic?
No, that's for like meat.
Oh, you have to chop it fine.
Yeah, that's for like meat.
I feel like I have to close for a second.
Sit on this bench. God. Oh, he messaged me.
Oh, what did he say?
He said I left.
And it could have worse.
He said I left.
Make desserts with these things. They put like whipped cream and like berries and like all that good stuff. They make like a berries thing, and you know, you see that, right? I should go get.
So do that.
Stop, man.
Stupid. So yeah, that is 1 to 16. This is 1 to 8.
I know, but
Just go by yourself and come in island.
what is this, like $1 million?
Oh,
in spending right
orange. Yeah, about. This is where I first. This is where I first found out about Bruce Jenner, better known as Caitlyn.
This is like $40 in spending.
With like 4 items. Like, when is she gonna use cumin again? When is she going to use turmeric again? Like, what the fuck is a turmeric?
Turmeric.
It's a flower.
Turmeric.
An earthy flavor, also used to add beautiful yellow color to dishes. That's all that it is. You could add curry. Like, yo, you're stupid. If all that you need it for is to change the color.
I want to go by the recipe, okay?
Yo, you're stupid, yo. This girl is dumb, yo. I told her to go on ghettopeople.com.
There's no such thing.
I bet you if you type in ghettopeople.com, you will get something.
You probably would, but like, you're making a lot. I should buy some wine, huh?
I was just thinking about it.
Like,
But they don't have Jacob's Creek.
They don't have Jacob's Creek?
No. My Moscato?
Oh, no, they don't. No, but you can pretend you scan.
Don't be stupid, man.
You just like, what? It's okay. It's probably bad. Worse.
$18.
Do you guys have those heavy duty bags? Why'd you tell me those? I can give you the.
She's so annoying. Everywhere she goes, she annoys everybody. You understand?
I feel where you're coming from.
Yeah. Where's your manager? Where's your manager? Where is?
Nah, you don't have to call management. I agree. I know exactly what. You understand? Look how much extra work she's giving the man. I know she's gonna spend 5,000 years to find $1.10.
Your car's calling you.
Oh, you didn't have to package it.
Yeah. What's wrong with this? Yo, Negro. What's your problem?
She's independent, so I understand.
Which part?
That's not good. Alright, have a good
For
day.
you. Bye. Are you going to Wine Rack? Oh, hi. There's some wine. You can taste it.
Wine tasting? Ooh, let me tell you about them.
Okay, perfect. Hi. Okay, so she's gonna teach us about this wine that she has here today.
You were putting me on the spot like
Oh, no, don't worry about it. It's okay.
we have fancy white wine.
Okay.
Pinot Grigio.
Pinot Grigio. I still don't know how to say it properly.
Vanilla ones.
Pinot Grigio. All right, I learned today.
Sugar coat of one.
Okay.
Off dry.
Okay.
It's made in the Niagara Valley.
Okay, fine.
It's certified by the Vintners Quality Alliance.
You pass.
100% Canadian grapes, so we love it.
Okay, sure.
I want to stop grapes.
We don't do that here.
We could do that this summer. We could put it on our bucket list. Yes, we can.
Go to Niagara. I'm sure you can do that.
I will, and I still have my wine tasting coupon.
And I told Joan to go to Niagara. You
Oh,
didn't
just
go.
shut your mouth and just taste the wine.
Yes.
And the red one. Jackson drinks Cabernet, so
Hold on.
Yeah, you have to sniff it.
the aromas. Describe the aromas.
Fruity, dry.
No, off dry.
Off dry. You're so stupid.
I never said I wanted to go. into
Okay, try the next one. Try the red one. Yeah, sure, no problem.
If I work here, would I have crack boots?
Yeah, absolutely. I know a lot of people that go to work with crack boots. I have These probably have a couple cracks in there too.
No,
When
I
you too
get
famous.
Really? No, I'm just friendly, that's all.
Yeah, you are going to be YouTube famous. This is going on my YouTube channel.
Oh, no, don't.
No problem. Not all of it.
Just the good parts.
Just the great parts. I promise. You'll be famous.
Okay, so how do you like the white?
The white was good. The white was good. I'm not really a red fan, but the white is great.
So do you want to try the red?
I'll try the rest.
Okay. Jackson drinks Cabernet Sauv, also made in Niagara. It's a 0, so it's a dry wine.
It's a dry. Oh God, no. See, the off dry is my friend.
Delicious.
Really?
Do you like the red and white wine?
I love them both.
Which one do you like more?
Let me try again.
Wait, no. Can I take a sip?
This was your last color. We're only allowed to do 3.
That's okay, because I'm gonna buy something. You sipped it all. I didn't have it with you.
As long as you just
No, thank
snort it
you.
out, it's okay. It's all good.
I like the red one.
No, I like the white.
Well, why don't you guys get one of each?
Yeah. Why don't you buy one of
That's an
each?
idea.
One YouTube video.
You get the white one.
No, we have work tomorrow. We can't do that great of a YouTube video tonight.
But you see, if I was in YouTube, but this is the wrong side of my face. I got this stupid thing here. No, it's all good. It's all good.
Yo, the people that I run into are the best.
Hey, you know, when you're spontaneous, things come out great.
Absolutely.
But if
Absolutely.
you're improvising, well,
Definitely.
it still comes out great, but you're
It's
improvising.
more forced.
Yeah, it's more like, right?
Yes.
$2 off. So you could put $2 towards cookies.
You're the best. You're the best.
Oh, you know what it is? I will get it only because you get like an upsell.
I'm doing you a favor. You
No,
got the big bottle.
no,
Have a
I
great
want to
night.
help you out. I'll have a good night either way, girl.
She buying the big bottle?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Wow.
It didn't work.
I think you should get this one.
No.
But wait, that's not
There
even
was
the
a little
one.
one right here. I know it's
Yeah, you should get the
a little
Pinot.
one. She's kind of like
Greeeejio?
big with dark hair.
Is it Greeeejio? Is it Greeeejio?
No.
Greeeejio.
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 Shoot, man, I was closer.
Do you want a Pinot? They come in little, so you could get a big and little. What? It's Monday night.
I am not that rich.
Oh my gosh.
My heart goes through. Don't take this.
Well, I'm hanging on to this until it does.
Tiffany, red? Really? You should have bought white. I don't want the red wine.
It'll probably be finished by 15.
Put some rum in it or something, maybe, then I'll drink it.
But it's Monday night. But put some rum in it.
You know?
I believed you until you wanted to put rum.
No, I didn't mean tonight. You know, we are going our separate ways. Girl.
Ta-da! It went through.
Wow.
You might have it.
You are approved for $15.
You want a bag for
Put
it?
it in your bag.
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Run around. Do you want your receipt?
No, girl.
You need
if
it.
you have to look at the receipt, you ain't rich.
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
It is Zoesha.
How do I spell that?
Z-O space E-S-H 3 A's.
Now you got me intrigued.
Okay.
Well, what's this?
I would try and remember that.
Please,
No,
let me
listen.
write it down for
write
you
it
or
Yeah, write it down,
something.
write it down, write it down.
My receipt.
Go.
Hold this
No,
for me,
here,
please.
here, hold that. That's an iPhone. I can't afford.
What is it?
My phones are like $100. They look like an iPhone, but they're not.
I have an
I'll just write that
iPhone,
this is a space.
but it's not that
Because I
great.
didn't put it close together.
That's all
So
right.
yes.
Can you write it again?
Huh?
I
Sure.
want to see how it look like on video.
Okay, no.
And watch me while do that.
Oh my goodness.
Do you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel?
Yes.
I don't like the voice in my videos. It sounds like a little
No,
kid.
I hate my voice too,
In
so.
videos, it's like it's not like a.
I'm like that too.
So that's Z-O. This is a space. And then
Space what?
E-S-H.
Like underscore?
No, just a space.
Oh, because it's on YouTube. I'm
Not
like-
necessarily that, but that's
now
how I
you gotta
that's how I
this
put it
one
on.
up.
I am gonna put it
You gotta go
on.
put it up like
So
right
this
now.
is Isha with 3 A's?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, so follow me, like the videos, comment.
Well, if I like my
subscribe.
voice, I follow you. If not, I'll run away from you.
I mean, like, you can tell us where. Does your dad own a restaurant?
Oh yeah, we
He
can
used
come
to. He
by.
used to.
Oh, so you know,
Nah,
like,
he got into a dispute with one of his partners, and he says, you know what, take your half, give me my half. That's it.
all right. Well, subscribe to the channel. We'll come over and make Daddy cook us a dinner or
Say,
something.
hey, remember him from the wine store.
Make sure.
Well, I have such a lovable face, you won't forget.
Okay.
Maybe we'll see you again.
And you know what? You kind of has anybody ever told you you look like Adam Sandler?
I get that.
Yeah, because you do.
Yeah, but I'm Catholic. I'm not Jewish.
That's okay.
I'm a truck driver. I'm not a.
That's okay. That doesn't change the fact.
All right, you guys. Well, thank you for a wonderful evening. Thank you for my wine lesson. You too. Bye.
Why was it because of commotion everywhere you go?
Yo. Wait. Hold this for 1 second.
I don't want to be your
Oh, I thought I left my key.
friend until you gotta take the bus. What did it do?
I thought I left my key,
What
yo.
did he say?
He's like, I gotta take the bus because he left.
Oh, I thought you said it didn't make any sense what he said.
It doesn't make any sense what he said. That's just the gist of it.
But yeah, but every time I say something, you gotta be like speak English, and I try to make out what you say.
I'm so excited. Amazing. It's always something when we come to Fortinos, and I meant to come here today and buy my wedges and chicken, but I'm not buying it.
Yeah, like every time you come in here, it's drama. You should put that guy on the cool guy. That's the same one that crossed the street, remember?
Who?
The one that crossed the street? We're like, he's so dangerous?
Oh,
That was him.
the bad man?
Yeah, man.
It was him.
It was, I told you it was him. That's what I was saying.
Yo, it's so funny because
I was telling you.
no, I know you were pointing him out for a reason, but like in my mind, I'm still like, where do I know this guy from? Why does he look so
He
familiar?
was like,
I should have been like, oh shit. I should have been like, oh, she's not. She's listening in the mirror. Remember the one that we seen at Ardene's? I should have been like, Bad man forward, bad man pull up because you cross the street the other day and you never look which party there you in they go.
And this part.
And this part.
This part right here.
Where people love dead. You understand?
Crashes and all.
But you guys, I can't believe she bought the red wine. The red wine was at 0. It's dry. Dry.
And it gets me tipsy quicker.
And she buy the damn idiot red wine before she buy the white and come share with me.
Gets me tipsy quicker. Red wine?
It tastes gross, man.
Girl, you have to.
That cap, no, thank
have
you.
to,
I'll stick to my white.
You have to adjust
things.
to the taste.
No thanks. Can't adjust to that taste.
Like my, could you? Let me push this in my bag. Well, no.
Okay, God. She's so rude. I hold all her shit for her. Do you see when I had a big old dirty heavy basket worth of $40 of groceries?
It wasn't $40 and this shit is heavy. Do you want to carry it for a second? Ugh.
No, fuck you. You didn't want to carry my umbrella. My umbrella weighs nothing.
I hope this turns out good.
I hope it doesn't.
I wonder if I'm going to go make it.
You're not. You're gonna be like, oh, I got home and I drank and that was it. Come out of the way.
Sorry. I meant to tell you, but like I didn't think you were going there because you were busy this weekend.
Yes, I can be mine.
What am I doing to my hair?
Want to weave it?
You're gonna weave it for me? I don't even know if I have weave money.
What you could do is bring a pack of braids. 1 pack. You could part your hair in 2.
Oh my god, I'm not caring for my hair.
And I'll do 2 French braids.
I'm not caring for my hair.
Or we could do like the milkman, you know, like the all around. Here, you know, just
Like a
braid like all
beehive?
around. No, just 2 braid, just braid all around.
Oh.
Yeah, but just the 1 braid. You understand? Yeah. Are we taking the bus?
Are we? If we catch it. Do I even have my pass?
I just thought I didn't have my key. I was scared.
That's right.
I ain't gonna lie, I was scared.
Why didn't we pull a bad man?
Bad man
Because
forward.
this road is way longer.
Turn out crates.
If I make it.
Make the doubles them double. Why?
Like, come on.
Yeah, so the thing's set. But anyhow, we guys, Tiffany, say bye.
Over. Ah! You see how you start flinching before I
Say
even touch
bye.
you? Goodbye.
Bye, guys. Going home. See you next month.
Next month, Friday?
No, real talks. Oh, shoot, yes!
Stupid.
Yes, Friday the turn up is gonna be so real. We're actually going out
What am
for
I
like the
wearing?
first time in like
I don't even
5,000
know what to do
years.
to my hair, but like, what am I even wearing?
Just do a donut bun.
I don't have shoes.
Just do a donut bun. Just do it like real well high. I'll flat iron your hair and everything. Yo, I'm so excited.
Yo, I'm so hot. Like, I feel gross right now. What?
I swear that's my song.
I can't hear anything except for the
Yes!
beat.
Champagne, cuddle up, cuddle up.
Is that James?
Bubble up, bubble up. It could be.
Yo, this bus, I feel like I could have crossed the road and leave.
Rocky.
I thought you said bye.
Shut up.
You should.
Shut him out. Okay, bye guys. Seriously, I'm going home now. Toodles.
Oh.
What you say, I'm okay.